Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my many new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. Well, it's been a hot minute. I guess the last time I did a video was at Christmas. So I took a little break. The family was hit with a little bit of COVID. All 4 grandsons got it. And now today, I heard from my daughter and her husband. They went to the emergency center this morning. They're pretty sick and they got tested and the doctor thinks that they have it. So far the cameraman and I are good. We're good. So anyway, I thought, better do a video now. So I have been wanting to do this for a while. Most of you that watch me, you know how much I love cannolis and cannoli filling and cannoli dip. It's so good. I mean, I'm Italian. Why wouldn't I like cannoli? So today, I'm gonna make for you a tiramisu dessert dip. I've made tiramisu cakes and they're delicious. But today, we're gonna do the tiramisu dip without all the fuss of making the cake. This is super duper easy. You can serve this to family, friends. You can, basically serve it. You can serve it for snacking. You can serve it for entertainment, whatever you like. So what do you say we get started? But before we do, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit the red subscribe, the little bell next to it until it says all, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber. And doesn't cost you anything, and you won't miss any of my new videos because you'll get a notification that says The Baking Diva has a new video up. So all right, enough blabbing, Diva, let's get started. So the first thing you need is a bowl, and like I said, this is very few ingredients. It's so easy. So in this bowl, you're going to need 8 ounces of mascarpone. Is that how you say it, cameraman?
Sure, of course.
Oh, why am I asking an Irishman? It's mascarpone, or mascarpone cheese, not cream cheese, mascarpone cheese. And you're going to need 8 ounces of that. So I have a container of that here, and I'm going to spoon it into my bowl. It's a little watery in there. Just a little water on the top of the mascarpone. Is it mascarpone or mascarpone? I'm not really sure. I think it's mascarpone. I don't know. I'm going to have to ask Alexa and see what she thinks. I wonder if she can hear me from here. Alexa, is it mascarpone cheese? Did you hear her, cameraman? Can't hear her from the other room. Anyway, I'll investigate it. So we're putting 8 ounces of that in here. Now to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. And of course, this is tiramisu that has a nice coffee, slight cocoa flavor to it. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of instant Espresso coffee powder. So let me put that right in. Now I'm going to take my hand mixer and I'm going to mix these 3 ingredients up. I'm going to whip them up until they're all combined. So here we go. Woo! This is going to be so yummy. Okay. Turning a brown color, and that's okay. It's going to lighten up when we put in our other ingredients. Okay, look at that. I'll hold this up in a minute to show you what it looks like with the first 3 ingredients in it. Okay, so let me hold this up for my cameraman. And you'll see, oh, it smells heavenly, just like coffee. And there you see it. All right, now to this, I am going to fold in an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. This is an easy recipe, and it tastes good. So let me get to my spatula here, and to this, I'm going to add this. So there we go. I hope you're all staying well out there. We're in New Jersey, and let me tell you, last I heard on the news, New Jersey, Florida, and Michigan have the most cases of COVID. Cameraman, how many do we have? Was it yesterday? In one day?
28,000.
28,000
in
one day. New cases. Isn't that insane? I mean, it's just spreading like wildfire. I just don't understand it. But I did get all my shots. Cameraman got all his shots, and well, hopefully it's going to protect us.
You know what? That Jameson shot really helped a lot.
Don't listen to him and his Jameson. Anyway, I'm going to just take my spatula now. You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to reserve a little bit of this, so let me just stick it in there. Yeah, just a little. Now I'm going to, a little more. Now I'm going to fold this into the other ingredients until they're all incorporated. You don't need the mixer to do this. You just need your spatula. I wanted to tell all of you that I am working on, well, what I think is a pretty darn good collaboration for the end of January. So if you haven't subscribed, you might want to, because I don't think you're going to want to miss this. It's going to be really good. I'm very excited about it, and I've been working very hard on it. So let me get this all mixed together. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you serve this and what you serve it with as soon as I get this combined. I'm going to hold this up in a second for the cameraman so he can show you. You know, it incorporated, it's lightened up. I would say it's probably the color of how I like my coffee. I like my cream with a little bit of coffee. Here we go. So let me hold this up so you can see it. See the color? It looks like a light coffee flavor. It's how I drink my coffee. Coffee. Light, light, and light. All right. So we have all that incorporated. Now I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl. For now, I'm going to put it in this smaller bowl, but you can use a bigger bowl. So we're going to put this in there. Oh, look at that. Yummy in the tummy. Oh, boy. Woo. Okay. Now I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to do next. You're going to love it. Does everybody have all their Christmas decorations down? I didn't put up as many as I do every year. I put up enough. I took everything down and put it away except for my baking-themed Christmas tree. I'll look at it maybe for a few more days more, and then I'll take it down. So let me fix this nicely on here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the Cool Whip that I reserved, whoopsie, on the top of this. Not much, just a little bit. Look at that, yummy. Fix it on there any way you want, doesn't matter. Now I'm putting this in a bowl like this. You can also serve this in individual dishes if you like little parfait cups or little even wine glasses or champagne glasses. So I'm going to just put it on there like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of cocoa powder, and I will have this recipe down below in the description box for you. Well, my hands are clean and I forgot a teaspoon, so that's all right. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the cocoa powder on the top for taste and for presentation. Look at that. All righty. Yummy. And then you can either make your own, or I happen to have a jar of this Nestle's Toll House chocolate curls. I'm going to put some chocolate curls on the top. I haven't even used it yet. I know I bought it and it came in white chocolate, And it came in, I believe this is just, doesn't say dark, it just says, oh, semi-sweet chocolate. I'm going to sprinkle some of that right on the top. These, and sprinkle them on top. Oh, baby, look at this. Yum, 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 yum. Beautiful coffee flavor. It's not going to be sweet. No, no. Now, if you want it sweeter, you can add a little bit more sugar. It's according to taste, but I don't like this too sweet. I'm going to hold this up in a second so the cameraman can see this beauty. I'm going to show you how we serve it. Look at this, cameraman. Can you see this? Doesn't that look awesome? Are you ready to dip something in there and taste it?
Si, senora.
Oh, now, first he was Irish, now he's Spanish. All right. Well, for now, I'm just going to take this dish. You can use a long dish. You can use a bigger dish. Now, I purchased this bag of, oh gosh, I'm going to crucify this name, and I'm Italian. Savoiardi. Savoiardi? What do you think, cameraman?
Savoiardi.
Okay. And they are Ladyfingers. It says essential biscuit for tiramisu. Comes in individual wrapped packages, just like this. Now, you can also serve this with ladyfingers and strawberries. I don't happen to have strawberries, so I'm going to put the, oh, look at this. Oh, I'm proud of myself. That looks pretty darn good. The sugary side. I'm going to put these all around. Now, imagine this. Look at this, really. Imagine this. Put it out on a table when you have guests over. I don't know how many of us have guests over now with this crazy COVID. Well, make it for your own family. Don't save these special things for company. Life's too short, right, cameraman?
Yeah.
Serve them for your family. Make them for yourself. Oh, look at this. All right, so let me finish putting the ladyfingers around, and I'll be back in a minute to do a taste testing, so don't go away. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This will be a fantastic presentation on your table. Oh, it looks so good. I hate to even taste it and ruin it, but I'm going to give it a taste testing now. So let me turn the dish around, and here's my ladyfingers. Ooh, okay. All right, I'm gonna dip one in here, and I'll tell you what I think. There's Brownie. Every time I'm gonna do a taste testing, Brownie starts barking. I think she has this ability to know that there's food. I want some. Who's she barking at, cameraman?
The people across the street are driving into their driveway.
Okay. She's a good.
She's actually on the floor, okay. Our floor.
All right, let me dip this in and see what I think. Oh, look at this! Oh my goodness! Oh! Delicious. Let me try a little more. Look at that. Oh. So good. I personally do not think it needs to be sweeter. I think it's perfect with the 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. It's all a matter of taste. If you want it sweeter, you can put a little bit more in, but I think it's delicious. It's just a beautiful coffee cream flavor. So good. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. I'm always happy to read your comments. I do read all of them. Sometimes I can't respond right away, but I try my best, or I'll give you a heart. And the heart, you'll know that I read your comment and I enjoyed it. So anyway, I'm going to have a little bit of this. You going to have some, cameraman?
Surely.
All right. And I will see you all very soon. Stay safe, stay well, and what do I say? Love you all. Toodles!